Switching to a menstrual cup can totally transform your period routine. This guide will walk you through preparation, insertion, removal, and cleaning. And remember, practice makes perfect. Give it a cycle or two to get the hang of it. Step 1, prep and hygiene. Before touching or inserting your cup, wash your hands using warm water and a mild soap. Then, you're going to want to sanitize. Before your first use and between every period cycle, boil your cup in water for 4 to 5 minutes. Let it cool completely before inserting. Step 2, how to insert your menstrual cup. First, you're going to want to fold your cup. There are a few folds that you can choose from. The first is the punch down fold. You're going to push one side of the rim down into the center. The next fold is the C fold. You're going to pinch the cup flat and fold it into a C shape. Lastly, we have the 7 fold. Similarly to the C fold, you're going to pinch the cup flat and fold it into a 7. Now you're ready to insert. Relax your pelvic muscles. You can sit on the toilet or stand with one leg elevated. And inserting in the shower is another great option. Hold the folded cup and gently insert, angling it back behind the tailbone and not straight up. You can also use water or a water-based lubricant for easier insertion. Now, we're going to make sure that your cup is safely sealed to prevent any leaks. Once inside, the cup should pop open. But to check for the seal, you're going to run your finger gently along the base of your cup. If it feels flat or pinched, gently turn the cup by the base or push against the vaginal wall to help it fully open. Now, you can wear your Saalt Cup for up to 12 hours at a time based on your flow. Now, we're going to go over how to remove your cup. Just like when you're inserting it, wash your hands first. You can do it over the toilet or in the shower. Gently bear down with your pelvic floor muscles, like you're going to the bathroom. This will push the cup a little bit lower. To break the seal, gently pinch the base of your cup. This will release the suction seal. Do not pull on the stem. Keep the cup upright as you guide it out to avoid spills, and empty the contents into the toilet or into the shower. Now let's talk cleaning. For during your cycle, you can rinse your cup with cold water to prevent staining, and then wash with warm water and a mild fragrance-free soap. Then you can reinsert. After your cycle, you're going to want to boil your cup. Then allow it to air out and dry completely. Lastly, you'll want to store it in its breathable cotton bag until your next period. Never store it in an airtight bag or a plastic baggie. Now you've successfully inserted and removed your menstrual cup.